Advocate Malesele Teffo rose to fame this week as the much-anticipated trial into the murder of Bafana goalie Senzo Meyiwa got underway at the Pretoria High Court on Monday. Teffo is one of the defense counsel for 4 of the men currently standing trial. His quick wit and strong-willed personality saw him butt heads with High Court Judge Malumela throughout the week.
Can I be allowed to do my job?
Yeah, I allow you to ask questions, not to narrate to him what you will do to the next coming witness.
On Thursday, in a dramatic plot twist, Teffo found himself handcuffed and in the holding cells of the court. The former cop turned lawyer, known for representing police whistleblowers, is no stranger to controversy.
It's not the first time that we've seen him arrested suddenly and disrupting his work. As somebody who I've come to know who is a fierce struggler for the justice of people who are whistleblowers in the police, as well as in other contexts. He was a labor lawyer, as people know, he was a policeman for many years. He's now became an advocate and has been representing police officers who have been suspended and wrongfully dismissed. So he's not popular within the top brass of the South African police.
Teffo has been battling his own charges.
Advocate Teffo was previously arrested by the SABC on charges of common assault and trespassing after allegedly assaulting a female SABC member and entering the SABC Gauteng provincial building in contravention of a High Court interdict prohibiting him from entering the said building.
The senior public prosecutor here received an instruction from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions to get all the dockets that were opened against him, and in few of those dockets prima facie cases were then established, and the instruction to the senior public prosecutor was that the matter should be transferred to the regional court in Johannesburg.
The public arrest drew much attention and criticism to the police. However, they believe it was necessary.
Advocate Teffo did not cooperate with the investigating officer, which warranted the call for the assistance of the tactical response team members who were already posted in the same court for escort duties. Police have a responsibility to arrest a suspect in order to secure her attendance in court.
The magistrate was not sympathetic to Teffo's explanation.
I think that it is quite disappointing that the advocate did not follow due process. You can simply state that you have fallen ill. However, you need to show sufficient proof. You cannot abscond from a court hearing. So if he had gone to court, or if his legal representative had gone to court on his behalf with a sick note and provided a justification for his absence, that would probably be acceptable. But that was not the case. So he absconded on the first occasion. The second occasion, he mentioned that he had some confusion as to the particular details of where he was supposed to appear. That, unfortunately, is also not a substantial reason. Advocate Teffo, as a legal practitioner, should be well versed in the criminal process, and he was, of course, expected to appear at court.
This is not the first time a warrant of arrest had to be issued for him to appear before this court.
In light of the fact that this is the second time that the accused has not appeared in this court, and this is the second time that a warrant of arrest was authorized, issued and executed against the accused, I'm of the view that an amount of 10,000 rands is suitable, reasonable and justified.
While he faces his own legal battles, he's set to continue representing the 4 accused in the Senzo Meyiwa trial.
You say my spirit is broken. I'm more determined than ever.
It doesn't affect that case. He will still go to court and appear.
However, legal experts feel it may impact the much-anticipated trial.
He is due to appear in court on the 27th. I would probably think that on that date, the matter would be postponed for him to either enter into a plea or to prepare certain things that are necessary for his trial. Concurrently to that, the Legal Practice Council will no doubt commence their own investigations, and an internal disciplinary would no doubt follow, and an application for him to be struck from the role. Unfortunately, when you're dealing with a criminal charge, you're innocent until proven guilty. The trial must continue. And I think that what will most definitely happen is that he will have to recuse himself.
The matter has been postponed to the 27th of May, when Teffo will return to the Hillbrow Magistrates Court just 3 days before we return to the North Gauteng High Court, where he will be representing the 4 accused in the Senzo Meyiwa trial. Hasina Gori, SABC News, Hillbrow Magistrates Court.